Hello, and welcome to Lokalise DevHub. In this video, you will learn how to work with the Lokalise API reference and use it as a playground to test API requests. So, to get started, open Lokalise DevHub and navigate to the API reference page if you haven't already done so. Next, choose an endpoint that you would like to work with. Currently, Lokalise API provides more than 20 endpoints to manage your projects, translation keys, upload and download files, assign tasks, add new users, and more. For now, let's choose the Keys, List All Keys endpoint. This endpoint can be used to fetch multiple translation keys from a project. On this page, you can see a general overview of the endpoint and all the supported request params. You can fill in these params and run a sample request to see how it works. To the right, there are code snippets that you can use to easily send an API request. Please note that we also provide convenient API SDKs for PHP, Python, Ruby, and other languages. Before running a request, however, you'll need to fill in two mandatory fields. The first one is the project ID. That is the identifier of your Lokalise project. To obtain this ID, proceed to Lokalise. Open your project and click More, Settings. Here's the project ID, so let's just copy and paste it to the corresponding field. Next, you'll require an API token. To generate it, return to Lokalise, click on your team avatar in the bottom left corner and choose Profile Settings. Then proceed to the API Tokens tab and click Generate New Token. You can generate a read-only or read and write token. Please note that it should be kept privately and never publicly exposed. Let's copy this token and paste it to the XAPI token header field. By the way, note that as you change these text fields, the code samples are automatically updated. Fill in other request params as you like, or leave those empty, and then click Try It. As you can see, we get a response nearly instantly. Click the copy icon to copy the response. Also, you can click Headers to observe all the response headers. You can use the same approach to modify or delete data. However, be careful because all the sent requests work with real data on Lokalise. Let's see an example of uploading a translation file, but this time we will also work with branches. So let's switch to the Files Upload File endpoint. I'm providing a project ID and a branch that was already created for this project. Next, paste in base 64 encoded data of your translation file. Enter the file name and the language code. Please note that this language must be present in the chosen project. Finally, enter the API token and click Try It. When I return to my Lokalise project, it says that the file was imported. Let's view the activity to double check. And as you can see, the file was indeed uploaded. Reload the page and here's our new translation key with an English translation. That's it. Great job! If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.